Have you ever wondered how YouTubers earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month? Good news! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to monetize your YouTube channel in 2026 using the latest YouTube Partner Program requirements. Whether you have a brand new channel or you've already reached the monetization requirements, this complete guide will help you apply correctly and avoid common mistakes. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also explain the most common reasons channels get rejected and how to fix them. Let's get started. YouTube monetization means earning money from your videos through the YouTube Partner Program, also known as YPP. Once accepted, creators can earn money from ads on videos, YouTube Premium revenue, channel memberships, Super Chat, Super Thanks, shopping features, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing. Many creators think YouTube only pays from ads, but that's not true. Successful creators usually have multiple income sources. In 2026, there are two levels of monetization. Level 1 includes fan funding features. Requirements include 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, 3,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, or 3 million shorts views in the last 90 days. The full YouTube Partner Program requires 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours, or 10 million shorts views within 90 days. Remember that public watch hours only count from public long-form videos. Private, deleted, and unlisted videos don't count. Open YouTube Studio. Click Earn. Here you can track your subscriber count, watch hours, and shorts views. If you're eligible, you'll see an Apply button. Once all requirements are completed, you're ready for the next step. Before applying, make sure your channel follows YouTube policies. Avoid copyright videos, reused content, spam, fake engagement, misleading thumbnails, harmful content, community guideline violations. Enable two-step verification on your Google account because YouTube requires it before joining the partner program. Now let's apply. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Click Earn. Step 3. Press Apply. Step 4. Accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. Step 5. Connect your Google AdSense account. If you don't have one, create it. Use your real information. Your name and address must match your legal identity. Step 6. Submit everything. Now YouTube will review your channel. The review process usually takes several days. Sometimes it can take longer depending on review volume. During this time, don't delete videos or make major channel changes. Continue uploading quality content. Don't panic if your application is rejected. Read the rejection reason carefully. Common reasons include reused content, copyright material, low-quality content, AI-generated videos without added value, copied videos, fix the issue, upload original content, improve your videos, then apply again after the waiting period. Thousands of creators get approved after making improvements.